Well, we had some front end damage on this 2015 Equinox, and trailer hitch from the vehicle in front penetrated right through the license plate, in through the radiator, and it hit this condenser. And this is the condenser for the air conditioning. And this is a replacement aftermarket product that I ordered. And it's a pretty good buy, good quality, and an exact match for what I need for this car. So we're gonna be doing some work to reinstall new headlights, new bumper, energy absorber, pretty much the grills, radiator, everything in the front end here is being replaced, all at really good prices from aftermarket parts. And this one here especially is a great price for the quality of the build of this one. So if you take a look here, it's got all the same fittings that you need to attach your lines coming in and out. Comes with that rubber bumper there for the attachment to the frame. It's got the same bolt-in parts here that you need to screw this in and retain it, as well as down here as well. Everything in it looks really well made, and this is probably gonna last me a long time. And I'm really happy that I'm able to get this part in aftermarket at a reasonable price. So, hey, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.